Did you know that in Japan, where the elderly are among the healthiest and most active in the world, many seniors in their 70s and even 80s can still climb stairs with ease, walk for miles, and live completely independent lives? You might think it's all about exercise or genetics, but the truth runs much deeper. There's a powerful secret behind their remarkable leg strength, a blend of natural movement and specific vitamins that protect their muscles from aging. And today I want to reveal this to you. Because if you're over 60 and you've started noticing that standing up from a chair feels harder than it used to, or your legs feel heavy, tired, or shaky after a short walk, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. You've likely been told that simple yoga or stretching will keep your legs strong forever. But even the most flexible seniors can still lose strength if they're missing one crucial element: proper nutrient support for muscle and bone function. This isn't just about adding random supplements. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs to restore vitality from the inside out. Let's begin with the first key: electrolytes, the life spark of your muscles. Most seniors underestimate how important these minerals are. Every time your muscle moves, whether it's lifting your leg or standing upright, millions of electrical impulses fire between your nerves and muscle fibers. These tiny sparks of life are powered by electrolytes: sodium, potassium, magnesium, and when they run low, your body literally loses the ability to generate strength. It's not about laziness or aging, it's about electrical energy fading away inside your cells. Many seniors wake up dizzy, tired, or weak, thinking they need food or coffee, when what they truly need is hydration with electrolytes. In Japan, elderly people often begin their day with warm mineral water, not coffee, to replenish what their body loses overnight, and it works. Studies show that seniors with balanced electrolytes have up to 40% better muscle function and fewer falls compared to those who don't. The solution is simple yet powerful. Mix a quarter teaspoon of quality sea salt, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of potassium-rich cream of tartar into your morning water. Drink it right after you wake up, before breakfast, and you'll feel your energy begin to rise again. But electrolytes alone won't rebuild your legs unless you pair them with something that works at a deeper level. Liposomal glutathione, the master antioxidant your body stops producing efficiently after 50. Glutathione works like your body's internal repair crew, cleaning out the toxins that weaken your cells and restoring energy production in your mitochondria, the batteries inside your muscles. Think of it like this: when your body can't produce enough glutathione, your cells start rusting from the inside out, leading to fatigue, weakness, and slower recovery. Japanese longevity researchers have long focused on maintaining glutathione levels through fermented foods and antioxidants, and that's part of why their seniors stay so active even into their late years. Liposomal glutathione in particular is absorbed far better than traditional capsules. It recharges the cells, making your legs feel more alive and responsive again. If you've ever felt that your legs don't follow your mind's command, that delay between thought and motion, this is what's missing. Take it with electrolytes for a powerful combination that restores nerve function and energy simultaneously. The third vital nutrient is vitamin D3 with K2, often called the bone protector duo. You might already know that vitamin D3 helps with calcium absorption, but without vitamin K2, that calcium ends up in your arteries instead of your bones. The Japanese diet, rich in fermented soy, natto, provides natural K2, which is why their seniors rarely suffer from weak bones or leg fractures. Vitamin D3 boosts muscle strength, while K2 ensures that minerals go exactly where your body needs them, into your bones and not your joints or arteries. Together, they form a defense system that keeps your legs strong and your posture upright. Studies show that older adults who take D3 and K2 experience improved muscle control, better balance, and even reduced joint pain. Think of this pair as the architect and builder of your body's foundation. One designs, the other constructs. Next comes coenzyme Q10, OQ10, the energy generator of your cells. If electrolytes are the spark and glutathione is the cleaner, then CoQ10 is the fuel that keeps everything running. After age 60, your body's CoQ10 production can drop by 50%, which means your cells literally run out of power. Japanese doctors often recommend CoQ10 to seniors dealing with fatigue, leg heaviness, and muscle weakness, especially those on certain medications like statins that deplete CoQ10 even further. When taken regularly, CoQ10 improves circulation, enhances muscle recovery, and makes climbing stairs or walking longer distances noticeably easier. It's one of those silent game changers that few doctors mention, but those who use it can feel the difference within weeks. And finally, the fifth essential, magnesium glycinate, a calm yet powerful mineral that does far more than relax muscles. It actually enhances muscle contraction strength, improves sleep quality, and boosts nerve coordination. Japanese researchers discovered that magnesium deficiency contributes directly to sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Most seniors don't get enough magnesium because it's stripped from modern food during processing. Magnesium glycinate is the most absorbable form, gentle on the stomach, and excellent for restoring both strength and calmness. Imagine sleeping soundly at night, waking up refreshed, and feeling steady and strong when you take your first steps in the morning. That's what balanced magnesium can do. Now, imagine what happens when you combine these five. Electrolytes, liposomal glutathione, vitamin D3 with K2, CoQ10, and magnesium glycinate. Your body begins to function like it's been rebooted. Your legs no longer feel like weights you drag through the day. They start responding like they used to. Your steps feel lighter, your balance steadier, your confidence restored. One 72-year-old woman from Osaka, who had been struggling to stand up without help, began this routine under her doctor's supervision. Within 4 weeks, she was walking independently again. Her story isn't rare. It's a glimpse into what happens when your body finally receives what it's been missing for years. So if you're over 60, remember this truth. Your body doesn't lose its ability to grow strong. It only loses the resources it needs to do so. Start replenishing those resources today. Don't wait for another morning when standing up feels harder than yesterday. Take control of your strength, your stability, and your independence. As the Japanese say, when your legs stay young, your life stays long. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with someone who deserves to walk strong again. Because your journey to strength isn't over, it's only just beginning.